Hi, welcome. I've been away for a little while, so I thought today, what perfect day to come back live. So today only, the Stampin' Up have got free shipping on orders over $65 or more. So there's my website, and it should pop up on the screen as well as a link to click on if you want to do any shopping. So I was away for a while, so I've had a bit of a break from doing my normal lives, and back at it today, and I'll be live tonight. I've actually got a couple more boxes to open tonight, so I thought, I'm going to start early. Let's get one open now. So off we go. Put that over there. So how have you all been? I've been away for 7 weeks, travelling around with my husband. I went overseas, and I'll put some photos up over the next few weeks. Just tried to have a bit of a break. Alright, so this box has got in it things out of the new catalogue and new kits. Hang on, let's get that working. So this one is called the Christmas Ornaments Kit. This is so gorgeous. These can be found online in the Kits collection section. Oh, look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? They're really chunky 3D things. So these are to make ornaments. Look, they've got little bows already tied, so you don't need to worry about that. Let's pull this out. I've bought a couple of these already so that we can do some classes with them, or card and cuppa. So I'll get back into my calendar soon and get that sorted. I haven't done that yet. I am planning to do something on the 20th of October, so some sort of Christmassy card making. I want to use some trees because when I was away I was in Canada and America, and lots of pine trees and things. Look, they've included these lovely rings which we all asked about last year when they had another picture. So I'm so pleased with that. So that's what you make with this kit, and it's got all the bits in it to make everything. See? That is lovely. So that one just came out the last week or two. It's called the Christmas Ornaments Kit. So I've got 2 of those ready to go, and I've got a card keeper kit too. So I'll get these out. They're the same. Over there. Now this one, I've got to make these up this week because I've got a stall on Saturday. Having a stall at the North Ryde Community Church, Uniting Church, and they're having a what do you call it? Spring Festival, Cutler Parade, and it's in the afternoon. So I'm going to make up one of these. Look, I've already got other boxes I put my cards in, but I thought when they put this card kit out, if you can see that, but it's got names on it for your cards, so you can make up your cards, put them in the box, and it comes with cards to make as well. And I thought, wow, so you end up with the box as well, which I'm going to use on my table. Look at that. Won't open them all now, but there's the little thingers, and you could, possibly label some yourself as well. I've got 2 of those so that I can put my cards in. There's another one to make. All right, what else have we got in here? Surfing Santa. Woohoo! That's a cute little card for Christmas, isn't it? Or you could use that for anything. May your days be bright. Love it. I love it because I'm in Australia, and I thought that's really cool. Happy Little Things. I just liked that one because of all the different words on it. So this one's photopolymer. That means that they're clear. That's how big they are. You can mix and match them all. So they're bigger than what's on here. So it tells you on the front that its images are, what does that say, 80% on here. So when you open them, they are bigger. I've missed all this. I've missed being here for you and showing you things, but so nice to get back in my box. Happy Little Things dies. Oh, okay, so this comes with that if you buy it as a bundle. Now don't forget, it's free shipping today, so that's why I got in early today doing my live. I've got a better get on here so that you don't miss out. It's always nice to buy things when there's free shipping, especially if they're heavy things. I'll just get this out. This is a cute little one. Look, I'm going to keep this. So you got little banner dies. So I'm going to keep that with my stamp set in there. Let me just put that like. So I like to package mine like this, so that I don't have to open the packet to see what's in it every time. It goes like that, and then I am actually going to keep that because it's part of that, and I might lose it on the shelf. I'm going to put it inside it. You know exactly where it is when I ask you, where did I put those things? What have we got here? Some of these might go with other sets I've got in here. Earth Tones Shimmer Gems. They're very nice. Have another colour up the top there. Let's just have a look in there. What have we got up the top? Oh yeah, you've got the white ones too. They're pretty. Ooh. Get a close up on them. They're really pretty. Oh, you know, I haven't done any card making while I've been away. I did hand out some cards though. I took my handmade cards with me to say thank you to people. We stayed with family, and that was really lovely. Shepherd's Care. This is just a lovely stamp set. This is a cling stamp, so this is rubber, red rubber. And just thought I'd get one of these because I want to make some Christmas cards to put on my stalls. So I'll be at the North Ryde Community Church this Saturday, and the Saturday after I'll be back at the Midway Shopping Centre at Denniston East. This is all in Sydney. So they're nice, so I'll get into that. I'm going to be busy, aren't I? Alright, what have we got here? We've got some designer series paper. Okay, so which one is this? This is the Sentimental Christmas designer series paper. Now one of these is, I don't know if it's this one, let me just look it up while I've got the website open. One of them is when you buy the DSP, they do a give back. They always have a product every year. I'm just going to type this in to find out which one it is. Is it called Sentimental Christmas? I know it's one of the papers, but like I said, I'm a bit rusty. Sentimental. Oops. Can't spell it right. Just checking through the website, looking for the products. Sentimental. It's not coming up. I didn't type the whole word in, that's why. Just have to type it in. Sorry, it's over there on the table and it's a bit hard to reach it. What if I type in give back? Because that might bring it up. It's in the catalogue, but I left my catalogue out on the table. Actually, you know what? I think I've got a box of them in here. Let's pull the catalogues out. So I've got to open them anyway. So I'll have some of these on the table on Saturday. If you would like one, let me know. If you're not on my list already, I send them out to my customers complimentary. If you don't already have another demonstrator, that is. So happy to get them out to you. Let's just look in here. So as a demonstrator, I can buy a packet of 8 and then share them with you. So this is, and I can open it because it's live. Okay, let's just, I think it's right at the front. And tell us which paper it is. Step by step. Kids collection. Quick and easy. And of course I can't find it quickly because I'm looking for it. I've got some of these things in my boxes. Creativity Your Way. Let me just find. Oh. It's always the way, isn't it, when you're in a hurry? Now, is it this one? That's the one I just got out, wasn't it? No, that's Rainbow Days. Which one did I get out? Sentimental Christmas. I'll just find that one. Sentimental Christmas. That's the paper out of this set here. Here it is. So it's on page 29 in your new mini catalogue, this one. And it's for each Sentimental Christmas Suite collection or Sentimental Christmas Designer Series paper you buy. will donate $4.25 Australian to support children's literacy. See page 5 for more information. Oh, I thought it was at the front. Let's see what they say on page 5. Hang on. Here it is. I must have skipped page 5 as I went past them. Silly me. So it says making a difference. So if you have a look in there, it tells you all about it, and there's the QR code if you want to see more. But I always like to get the product that they do that for. It's just a nice way you get something for yourself, and it gives back as well to help someone else. So that's what the papers all look like in that packet. So great variety there for different things. That one. Now this one is called The Nest of Winter, and I had already purchased stamps when we did something with Stampin' Up earlier, the Creativity Now Day for demonstrators. So I made some of those cards a while ago before I went away, so you'll be able to see some of those, but I didn't have the paper then. So that's the paper. Let's just see what page that is on. Nests of Winter. Now I haven't organised any product shares yet or anything like that because I've been away. I'm just looking for it in the back. So in the back there's an index. So what have we got? Paper, packaging. I don't know if they list them separately. Hang on. Yes, they do. Nests of Winter. It says there, page 31. Page 31. And that's what all the papers look like in this set. I won't open them all today. We'll open them as we use them, I think, and pull them out. But if you'd like to see things closer up, let me know. Happy to do that for you. Oh, what else have we got here? Autumn to Remember. So they've started some new things in September, doing some pages for scrapbooking. So they've got some techniques here, so it's a bit like a kit and you get all the bits. We will open that so I can show you, because I haven't seen one of these before. These are new. There's a few different ones on the website. So they're not in the catalogue. You need to go and look on the website for these ones, or I can send you the PDF brochure if you'd like it. Right, let's just put my box lid down for a second. We can see all this. So it comes with a little sheet like this, and it gives you some layout ideas and cutting. There we go. I've got a few things there. Tells you what to do basically. It's like the card kits, but it's for scrapbooking. And if you'd like to organise, a workshop or a class with me, with your friends, you can do that on Zoom, or you buy the kit yourselves and then I do it with Zoom. Or if you're local, happy to do that too. I'm in Pyrmont. That's what the papers look like. Aren't they cute? I didn't see any live bears while I was away. I was really hoping to. Lots of statues. But, yeah, that's the way it went. I saw signs to say they'd been around. Be alert, there's bears. Went to Lake Tahoe and they've got signs out everywhere, but I didn't see one for real. That's all the papers in there. There's quite a lot of different stuff you get in that packet. Put that one up there. You get all these as well, so you don't even have to stamp anything. They're all stickers. Oops, we've lost our view. Pretty cool. And then you've got all these papers as well at the back. Cardboard. Wow, you get a lot in that. Now you're going to ask me how much that is, aren't you? Hang on, let me just have a look. Where is it? Autumn Sentimental. Which one am I in? What's it called? Hang on 2 seconds. Autumn to Remember. Autumn to Remember is... It was $74 for the whole kit, which, there's a fair bit of stuff in here. Look, there's even more at the back. It's plain whiteboard. There's these ones as well. These are not stickers though, they're just cutouts. Die cuts. That other page I showed you was stickers. Hang on, we'll just get that out of there. And we've got a packet of, oh wow, look at that. Are they stickers? Hang on. Let's have a look in there. Like I said, I haven't seen these before. This is the first time. I don't know if they're stickers or not. They might just be cutouts, I think. They don't feel like stickers. We'll work it out as we go. I don't think so. Let's have a look at the back. No. They don't feel like they've got sticky on the back of them. No, I can't get it off. Alrighty. So that's really cool. Look at those. Lovely. Oh, we've still got placeholders, cards, so you can design your page. I haven't done much scrapbooking in the past. I've done one or two things. So that is that kit there. Autumn to Remember Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. You need to look online for that one. And what have we got left in the box? Let's have a look. They've done more of these ephemera packs now, which I really like. Tags for the Season ephemera pack. And we've got Joyful Sayings ephemera pack. And they've got all sorts of different ones in them. And gold dipped cards and envelopes. I really like the look of these. Look at that. There's that catalogue. Let's go back into the catalogue. And I shall find that page as soon as I find this page. Alright, so in the back you've got your index for your stamps, your dies, cards and envelopes, gold dip, page 15. There's reindeers, page 19. What were the other ephemera packs? Here we are, page 15. So let's go to page 15 and have a bit more of a look. So this will show you what's in them. So you can see all those things are in that packet there. There's a little teddy bear in there. And then you've got that one. So it tells you down the side which one's which. So number 4 is the Joyful Sayings. It's got some gold bits in there. And then you've got the tags for the season at the top. And you've got the gold tipped. They're so pretty. Just makes it a bit quicker to make some cards if you don't want to be doing all the stamping in it. Some people want to do that and some people don't, so I love it that they have both. And that's all those. They've got little goldy bits on them. Right, well that's it for me today. And let me know if you need a catalogue, if you're in Australia. And don't forget that it's free shipping today. Today is free shipping. That's why I'm doing an early unboxing, and I'll be doing a live tonight at 8:30 on, that's Australian Sydney time, and I'll be opening another box. I've got a bit more to go because I put some orders in while I was away. Okay, so I'll see you later if you're coming back then, or watch the replay. I will put my videos into my YouTube channel as well, and I'll be back later. Ciao.